Here we want to solve 2/3 x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus a half. And instead of jumping straight in and collecting like terms on each side of the equation, I'm going to start by trying to clear the fractions involved. So I want to clear 2/3 and 1/2. So I find the least common denominator between those two fractions, which is 6. And so I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 6. I'm going to have 6 times 2/3 x plus 4 and 6 times 2x minus a half. And I could do this because whatever I do to one side, I balanced it by doing the same thing to the other side. So now we distribute the 6. And so 6 times 2/3, well, that's 6 times 2, that's 12. And then divided by 3, that's 4x. And then 6 times 4 is 24. So the whole idea was we needed to clear the fractions, and we did. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. And on the right-hand side, 6 times 2x is 12x. And 6 times negative 1/2, well, that's just 6 divided by 2. That's 3. And now we just go ahead and move forward with collecting like terms on each side. So I'll subtract 12x, and I get 4x minus 12x, that's negative 8x plus 24 is equal to negative 3. Then I'll subtract 24 from each side. So I get negative 8x is equal to negative 27. So negative 3 minus 24, that's adding negative 24, so negative 27. And then finally, we're going to divide both sides by negative 8. So this is multiplication, negative 8 times x. So we do have to divide by negative 8. Sometimes people think we need to add it, right? We need to divide it. So negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. So I get negative 27 over negative 8. The negatives cancel. So we end up with positive 27 over 8, and that is in lowest terms. Here I want to solve 1 minus x over 4 equals 1/2 times the quantity x plus 3 minus 3/4 x. Let's take a look at the fractions. X over 4, 1/2, and 3/4. The least common denominator there is 4. So instead of multiplying the whole side by 4 and distributing like in the last example, a little shortcut is to really just multiply each term in the equation by 4. So what I'm going to do is sneak a little 4 in here times each of these terms. So 4 times 1 minus 4 times x over 4 is equal to, now this whole thing right here is one term. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 1/2 times the quantity x plus 3, and then 4 times this last term, 4 times the 3/4 x that's being subtracted. And then we'll sort of simplify each term. So 4 times 1, that's 4. Here, 4 divided by 4, that's just 1, so we have 4 minus x. Here, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 2 times the quantity x plus 3. And here, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we have minus 3x. So our fractions are cleared. Now we have a nicer linear equation. So we have 4 minus x is equal to, we'll distribute the 2x plus 6 minus 3x. So now 2x minus 3x is negative x plus 6. The left side is 4 minus x. If I attempt to add x to each side, I'm going to lose my x's. I'm going to end up with 4 is equal to 6, which is a false statement. And that means that this equation has no solution.